Customer satisfaction, in 4 steps. Welcome to the Isle of Knowledge. Today's video is about a well-known, but widely misunderstood concept: customer satisfaction. You may be wondering, why some customers have such strong brand loyalty and obsession. What did those organizations do differently? Most importantly, what can we learn from those successful organizations to make our customers happy? The book, titled First, Break All the Rules, published by Gallup Incorporated, inspired me to make this presentation. Special thanks to them. First of all, let's define the term customer. A customer is an individual, a group of individuals, or an organization that receives or may receive goods, services, products, or ideas from another individual, or a company in exchange for money, or something of equivalent value. Customer satisfaction is a metric used to quantify how satisfied a customer is with a company's product, service, or experience. Usually, customer satisfaction surveys are used to compute this metric. A satisfied customer increases the likelihood of repeated business opportunities. However, customer loyalty won't come naturally. You have to put in a lot of effort to get there. Customer satisfaction is critical in almost every type of business. All the employees must do their part in order to build a growing number of loyal customers. Businesses should turn potential customers who have never used their product or service into advocates. Customers who are aggressively loyal are known as advocates. They will not only resist the urge to defect, but will actively sing your praises. These advocates are your most powerful unpaid sales force. They are your long-term growth engine, doing much more than conventional marketing or promotion campaigns. Customers' needs vary by industry. Customers expect a different type of relationship from their doctor than they do from their cable repairman. They anticipate a closer relationship with their accountant than they do with their neighborhood grocery store. Despite these differences, 4 customer expectations are remarkably consistent across a wide range of businesses and people. These 4 expectations are arranged in a hierarchical order. This means that lower-level expectations must be met before the customer is ready to pay attention to higher-level expectations. These 4 expectations, taken in order, show businesses what they need to do to convert prospects into advocates. Let's dig into that. At the most basic level, clients anticipate accuracy. Customers expect their hotels to provide them with reserved rooms. They expect their bank statements to accurately reflect their balance. When they go out to eat, they expect the waiter to bring them what they ordered. No matter how friendly the staff is, if a business consistently fails the accuracy test, customers will leave. The next basic expectation is availability. Customers anticipate that their preferred hotel chain will have locations in a variety of cities. They expect that their bank will be open when they need it and will have enough tellers to keep the line moving. They expect that their favorite restaurant will be nearby with ample parking. They also expect the waiters to notice from a distance that they need help. Any business that makes itself more accessible will undoubtedly increase the number of customers. This explains the proliferation of drive-through windows, ATM machines, and websites. There are a few important things about these two lower-level expectations. First, they are comparatively simple to achieve. Second, both are open and receptive to technological or systematic fixes. However, these solutions are unfortunately quite easy to steal. Any restaurant that succeeds due to its location is quickly surrounded by competitors looking to capitalize on prime real estate. As a result, any attempt, no matter how unique, to meet these lower-level expectations fades quickly. Finally, and most importantly, even if both of these expectations are met successfully, they can only prevent customer dissatisfaction. Customers are not overjoyed when their utility company sends them the correct bill. Accuracy is demanded and delivered. They only react if they receive the incorrect bill. Accuracy and availability are unquestionably important requirements. Companies that fail to meet them on a consistent basis will perish. However, accuracy and accessibility are insufficient to satisfy customers. Your customers are only halfway to becoming advocates on their journey from the prospect. The final two expectations bring the journey to a close. When these expectations are consistently met, customers generate positive feelings of satisfaction. Below two steps can turn a difficult customer into your most ardent supporter. Customers expect partnerships at this level. They want you to listen to them, respond to them, and make them feel like they're on the same side of the fence as you. Service businesses have long recognized the significance of this partnership expectation. That is why all airlines establish loyalty programs that provide special treatment to frequent travelers. That is probably why video stores have a staff picks section. We're just like you. We too enjoy watching videos. Most companies, whether in the service, manufacturing or packaged goods sectors, now recognize that a customer who feels understood is one step closer to genuine satisfaction and advocacy. The most advanced level of customer expectation is advice. Customers have the strongest bonds with organizations that have helped them learn. If you can consistently be their partner and advisor, you have most likely converted a prospect into an advocate. The big public accounting firms are now putting a special emphasis on teaching their clients how to manage their finances more effectively. The home improvement store advertises their on-site experts, who provide training on everything from plant care to grouting. Companies are attempting to transform their tellers, salespeople, and clerks into consultants everywhere you look. They now understand that education always fosters loyalty. This is all well and good. But it does raise the question of how you can live up to these higher standards. The answer is rarely found in technology or steps. Customers, for example, will only feel a sense of partnership when employees are responsive. To meet this expectation, you need frontline employees who are wired to find the right words and tone for each individual customer. You cannot legislate this in advance by its very nature. Partnerships emerge in real time. It is completely up to the employees to take the relationship to the next level. If you don't do it, someone else will. So, are you ready for the challenge? Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing, which means a lot to me. I love to see your thoughts in the comment section.